All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card, get rewards back in Bitcoin. Drip Network at 365% of your initial investment, 1% a day, every single day. All kinds of good stuff with cryptocurrency. Today, we're going to be talking about AMP token. Yep, this token, we've been talking about it for a while. We're going to go to their Twitter, go to their website. It's down right now. Not necessarily a discount buy down, but it's down right now. We're going to go over that, check everything out. Also, in New York, there's Bitcoin mining going on, and it's disturbing everything. The lakes, the shores of New York are overpopulated with pollution, and it's pollution from mining Bitcoin. We're going to come over that. Did you know that there was people mining Bitcoin on the shores of New York? I didn't know that. Okay, I knew they were starting to mine in Texas. I didn't know in New York. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, let's head over to AMP token. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, AMP token is under 3 cents again. 27027 is where it's at. It's down 8% in the last 7 days, down about 3% in 24 hours. Clicking it. Over here, it's 2 cents, 027. We'll do a price prediction when we're done. It's about 3.72% down. So here's what it's been doing the last 24 hours. It's on a little downward. Last 7 days, it did make a peak over here in 7 days at 3.2 cents. Actually got as high as 3.3 cents. So it did make its way up, and now it's on its way back down. If you had to think about it, if it was on its way back down, it should be going back up. Let's check out the holders here for a second. What's going on with AMP token holders in the last 90 days? Is it up or down? All right, 56,000 holders 90 days ago. Today, 68,000. It's about 12,000, about 20%. So the token, the holders are up about 18 to 20%. That's a good sign right there. Wanted to go over this on their Twitter account. AMP is a collateral token made for instant and secure payments. Now you can store, exchange AMP, and get cash back. Where? At Atomic Wallet. That's right, Atomic Wallet today. You can go ahead and do your AMP. Cryptocurrency, managed Bitcoin, Ethereum, right over here, Atomic Wallet. All right, Atomic Wallet, AMP token, you can store it there. That's fantastic, everybody. Over here at the website, let's take money into the 21st century. AMP provides assets like ZEC with instant variable assurance for any real-world application. Couple things you can do with the AMP token for people that don't know. You can stake the AMP, you can send the AMP, and you can repeat. When you stake it, the AMP is an extensive platform collateralizing asset for transfers. By staking the AMP, any form of value exchange can be guaranteed. Digital payments, fiat currencies, exchanges, loan distributions, property sale tax, and more. Send. Once you have staked the portions, AMP is ready to collateralize a transfer. With the use of collateral pools, AMP can effectively decentralize the risk of asset transfers, especially suitable for fraud-proof network and any real-world applications. And then once you do the first 2 steps, that's right, you repeat it. AMP is also simplified network rewards distribution once the transaction complete. AMP smart contracts offer a variety of built-in incentive modes, including micro distributions and including continuous compounding. So it says, why AMP? AMP helps you decentralize risk for users with smart contracts, features, purposes built for collateral. Nothing more and nothing less. All right, so the AMP token, down right this second, under 3 cents, 2.7. We'll do our price prediction when we come back. I was with this talking about this coin when it was 4.5 cents, when it was 5 cents, when it bounced back up to 7 cents and 6 cents. Now it's at the 2.7 cents. So we're going to hang in there, AMP Army. A lot of good things are going on here with cryptocurrency. So let's see if this cryptocurrency can bounce back here. All right, what's going on in New York? That Bitcoin mining is disturbing the waters and the shores of New York. I mean, they're mining in New York with Bitcoin? All right, it says the Bitcoin battle, huge crypto mining operation wrecks New York. Lakes. Wow, New York. Lakes are using peaceful locations for rest and relaxation. Some lakeside locals are up in arms over the damage, climate's impact that have come from a crypto mining operation on the shores. Take a look at this picture here. Look at the birds. The birds aren't happy. There's smokestacks coming up. The sky is gray. I mean, it just doesn't look good. Residents in Finger Lakes region of upstate New York have been protesting the actions of natural gas power plant for nearly 2 years. because of the negative environment impacts it has had on the area, but not for typical reasons for pollutions which you may think. Since early 2020, Green Niche Generation Plan has been keeping a 24/7 cryptocurrency mining operation running. What? Running mining operations with cryptocurrency in New York? The power plant company has claimed that the mining operation, which is about fielding more Bitcoin, is 100% carbon neutral. But those claims are built on shaky grounds. The carbon offsets aren't damaging to the environment, which is misleading. The Green Niche Generation Plan juices almost 20,000 mining rigs to crunch the numbers needed to earn its owner astronomical amount of Bitcoin. It is reportedly managed to mine 1866, almost 2,000 Bitcoins, worth roughly 100 million. That's right, 100 million in Bitcoin off the shores of New York. All right, it says at 50 degrees that the usual water temp, remind you, hasn't stopped the owner from planning to increase the power outage of the plant, but they may be forced to shut the power plant down. Green Niche Generation currently application for air permit bumps up against a new climate law in the state of New York. Yeah, so things are not so happy in New York with the Bitcoin mining. Yeah, but I mean, that just goes to show you. I mean, it's going on everywhere. I thought they were mining in Texas. Nope, they're mining in New York. $100 million in Bitcoin right there since 2020. Okay. What's your thoughts on the bottom? What do you think about it? Did you know about it? It's first I've even heard of it. All right, let's go ahead and head back over to AMP Token, do a little price prediction, and check out their website a little bit. So again, back at the website, more to explore. Meet our friends and collaborators of staking payments and Flexa to provide stability through liquidity. The AMP ecosystem offers many ways to use and earn AMP today. Well, here's some of their partners and people they're staking with. Uniswap, Sushi, Gemini, Bittrex, Loopring, Moonswap, Chainlink, CoinGecko, just to name a few. It says right here to use the AMP, how to stake your AMP. You would connect your wallet right here. You connect your MetaMask, it's showing you. Then you would get the contract and you would go ahead and stake your AMP. All right, what's our price prediction? Well, our price prediction is this coin's going to get back to 4 cents in the next month or two. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. The high for this token was last June. It was 12 cents. I was talking for months and months, and this token was between 4 and 5 cents, and it went to 6 and 7. Getting back to 4 shouldn't be too hard. All right, again, all our information for educational purposes only, not a financial planner. We're just all friends here. All right, take a look at this. Everything is red right now. Now, on the weekends, things seem to be going down, so we should have a pretty good... And again, take a look. Everything is red right here. It's 10% down, 2% down. Avalanche is actually up 5% in the last 7 days. Go Avalanche. Where are we at with Ethereum and Bitcoin? Bitcoin's at 39,000. All right, AMP token. Bitcoin mining going on in New York. Don't forget to hit the like button. Click right here to see our most recent video. Click over here to learn about Drip Network, 1% a day, 365%. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you a little bit later on today.